Hey guys, have you guys ever wondered what it's like to not have your tool to drop your spare tire on your truck and be miles away from anyone and be stranded in the mountains for hours? Well, if you have an axe, this is what you can do. So I was stuck up in the mountains for about 8 hours with a flat tire. Didn't have the tool to go from here out to this little hole right there. And that's what I had to do. I had to cut a hole in my truck bed. Absolutely destroyed it. So, we're gonna patch it with that 3/16 thick steel. I'm gonna tack it on there. About to do a road trip, so yeah, that's what's gonna happen.